Here I have VIVO Y17, and today I'm going to show you how to how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar. Firstly you have to go to this lower bar, go to the S capture, and here you have this screen recorder. So after you tap on it, it asks you if you want to display touch trajectory and if you want to record voice. You can also enable do not disturb while recording. So to start recording, just tap here. After that, recording starts immediately. So when you're done recording your screen, just tap on this button here, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery. To the special screenshots album, and here it is. Oh wait, not this one. To the special screen recordings album. Excuse me. And from here you can you can share, delete, rename your recording and check some info on it. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.